you guys going to do today in this video? What you guys going to do is head over to Tilted Towers. Once you have got to Tilted Towers, go to any building that has a fridge. Once you have landed, make sure to get a gun. Make sure to leave doors closed. Make sure to avoid the sweat trying to kill you. If you have time, get yourself set up. Break the board. Wait for him to come up. When he comes in, bam, 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 and then you'll be done. What you guys going to do again? Drop the battle bus till Tilted Towers. Once you have gone to Tilted Towers, you know what to do. Find the fridge, get a gun, open door, and so what you guys know will happen and you will experience it right now. So obviously I am trying to find a gun. What you need to do is get to a gun. No matter how quickly, needs to be fast, or else you will be bad. Find a fridge to hide behind. Drink your healing before he comes. Open the door and... Open the door and... You won't. And what? He's not dead. So what you guys gonna do is try to find this Twitch streamer that is trying to kill you. And now it's obviously going to work. So you're trying not to get a scuffed landing. I'm done with the meme. Oh no! So what you're going to do is get a fridge. And you should know the drill by now. So let me play that music. Yeah, boy!
what it is. The Matrix is everywhere. It is all around us. Even now, in this very room. You can see it when you look out your window or when you turn on your television. You can feel it when you go to work, when you go to church,